Do you want to learn how to meditate, but feel a bit intimidated by the whole thing and not sure if you're able to learn it? Some of the major concerns beginners often have are how they're able to empty the mind of thoughts, how to breathe properly, and how to know if you're doing it right. This meditation course is for complete beginners or people who have only meditated a couple of times and want to make it a part of their daily routine as a way of naturally reduce stress and anxiety and help improve your health and happiness. In this course we will cover all of the basics of meditation: how to sit, how to breathe, how to stop the mind from wandering, when to meditate, where to meditate, how to stay consistent in your practice, and much more. After you have learned the basics and have the right foundation to get started, we will end the course with a week of short and simple meditation exercises that will help you realize how easy meditation can be. So I hope you will find this course helpful as you start your meditation journey. I am jbittersweet, and this is the Meditation for Beginners course.